Class BA, University of Mysore. Paper Medical Sociology. Unit Medical Sociology. Session topic is Comparative View of Sociology in Medicine and Sociology of Medicine. Recap of the previous session. In the previous session, we have learned about the meaning and history of sociology, of medicine, and how it share the same goals as all others area of sociology. Learning objectives to enable students understand and distinguish between sociology of medicine and sociology in medicine. Learning outcome, students will able to know the role of sociologist in the concept of sociology of medicine and sociology in medicine. Contents: introduction, sociology of medicine, components of sociology of medicine, sociology in medicine, components of sociology in medicine, references, multiple choice questions. Introduction. In 1955, Robert Struss was suggested a logical division of medical sociology into two categories: the sociology of medicine and in sociology in medicine. Sociology of medicine deals with the different system of medicine and suggests an approaches to the sociological study of medicine. Sociology in medicine is a label distinguished the work of medical sociologist based upon the goals setting, disciplinary context of the work. Sociology of medicine. The sociology of medicine deals with such factors as the organization, role, relationship, norms, values, and beliefs of medical practice as a form of human behavior. The emphasis is on a social process that occur in medical setting and how these contribute to our understanding our medical sociology in particular and to our understanding of social life in general. It shares the same goal as all other area of sociology. It can be characterized as primarily motivated by the solution of sociological problems rather than medical problems. It is a collection of essays and research finding representing the work of medical sociologists in several different countries. Sociology of medicine is concerned with studying the organizational structure, role response relationship, rituals, and function of medicine as a system of behavior. The sociology of medicine consists below components. Research focuses on how power affects health, illness, and healthcare. Examines medicine from the outside, adopts a more critical approach, sociological theory to study the organization of healthcare and role the physician. Questions the power of medicine, consequently, we characterize a research analysis of the medical environment from the sociological perspective. Sociology in medicine. Sociology in medicine is consists of research involving the integration of concept, techniques, personnel from many disciplines, whether the sociologist is collaborating with the physician in studying a area, process or factors influencing the patient's response to illness. The work of sociologist in medicine is intended to practical use in the area of health. It is categorized as applied research and analysis, primarily motivated by the medical problems. Sociology in medicine is a label distinguishing the work of medical sociologists based upon the goal setting and disciplinary context of work. It is applied work that is motivated by the medical establishment rather than by sociological inquiry. Sociology in medicine has been categorized for staying too far from the parent discipline. The sociologists in medicine work within the medical system, typically with other social health practitioners. The sociology in medicine consists below components: the causes of health disorder, the differences in social attitudes as they relate to health, study the experience of patienthood, collaborates with physician, aimed at improving effectiveness of practitioner, sociological research that focus on answering questions that doctor consider useful, explore way to encourage patient to strictly follow doctor prescription. References: Muhammad Akram, Sociology of Health, Rawat Publications, New Delhi, 2014. Multiple choices questions. Dash divided medical sociology into sociology of medicine and sociology of medicine. Answer is E.A. Ross, Robert Struss, Robert E. Park, Robert Merton. Answer B. Second one, dash deals with the different system of medicine and suggests an approach to the sociological study of medicine. Answer sociology of medicine, sociology of health, sociology in medicine, sociology of profession. Answer is A. Third one, in dash Robert Struss first suggested a division between sociology of medicine and sociology in medicine. Answer is 1945, 1954, 1962, 1955. Answer is D. Fourth one is applied work that is motivated by the medicine establishment rather than by sociological inquiry. Sociology in medicine, sociology of medicine, sociology of health, sociology of profession. Fifth one, answer is A. Fifth one, sociology of medicine is concerned with studying the organizational structure, role, relationship, rituals, and functions of medicine as a system of A. Structure, B. Role, C. Function, D. Behavior. Answer is D. Behavior.